Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can change background video in Squarespace. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you are in Squarespace, you just want to click on a button here on a section or block that you're interested in. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see background here. So you wanna click on it, and you wanna click video, and just add here the video link. So what can I do? I can simply go on YouTube. And I don't know, choose this one here.
About you. Tvoj online módny obchod.
Share, copy link, Squarespace. No, that's not what I wanted. Background video. Paste it. And now we have full bleed or inset, and this is the video preview that it's going to preview now. You can also add a blur, brightness, contrast, invert, opacity, saturate, or sepia here, and change the playback fees, fallback image if you want to. But this is pretty much it how you do it. So it's going to load, it's going to take a while to load, but this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.